Tracking a device's location without touching it? Check the description for a link to the ultimate security expert who can guide you. Stick around. This is easier than you think. Check the description for a link to the ultimate security expert who can guide you. All right, let's get into it. Have you ever lost your phone, worried about a loved one's safety? Remote tracking helps with security, safety, and privacy. For businesses and families alike, knowing where devices are can be a game changer. But how does it actually work? Let me break it down. First GPS, then Wi-Fi triangulation plus apps and dashboards. First, GPS, Global Positioning System. A constellation of satellites sends signals your phone uses to calculate coordinates. GPS can pinpoint a device to within a few meters when the sky is clear. When a tracking app is enabled, your phone uploads coordinates to a secure server so you can see live location. Indoors or where GPS struggles, devices use Wi-Fi triangulation. Your device detects nearby Wi-Fi networks even when not connected. Location is estimated from signal strength and known router locations, good for dense urban or indoor settings. Tools that make tracking possible. Built-in apps and third-party services. Find My Device on Android lets you locate, ring, or secure a lost phone. Apple's Find My offers similar features and integrates AirTag tracking for other items. Sign in from any browser or use family apps to share real-time locations with consent. Imagine you drop your phone at the airport. Instead of panicking, log in and see exactly where it is, maybe before someone picks it up. For businesses, fleet tracking helps optimize routes, monitor drivers, and improve safety, all done remotely from a dashboard. With great power comes great responsibility. Always get permission before tracking a device that isn't yours. For the best tracking and security solutions fast, visit the link in the description to our top security expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more privacy and tech tips.